In this video, we will show you how to delete permanently our YouTube channel in 2022. First, after you log in into YouTube dashboard, you can type YouTube/dashboard. Then after you are logged in, go to settings on your left sidebar and click channel in here. Then go to advanced settings, and then you can remove YouTube content in here. Okay, this is your password. Type your password. Then you can delete your all content in here. And then delete your content, and you can type your channel name. Now your channel will delete permanently. You can just wait.